Welcome, today I'm showing how to change icon shape into your REALME C30. First of all, open your Play Store and in search find X icon changer application. This one. Need downloading and installing, so wait a second for install. And now tap open. Next, from the list choose your application, maybe camera will be nice. And now from the library of our icon, choose your new icon, maybe this one. Okay, and for saving this one, this icon need to tap OK in the top right corner. And wait a second for generating.
Dołącz teraz, aby otrzymać kupon na pierwsze zakupy. Zdobądź darmowy kupon na 15.
Then need close ads maybe a few times. Okay, and now we got success message that need tap add automatically. And we got success message one more time, so go to our home screen. And here we got our new icon of camera. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.